Before you even think about grabbing UGC Influencer, you need to hear this review, because what I found inside will completely change how you see this launch. If you've ever struggled with creating content, promoting offers, or actually making money online, this tool claims to give you a shortcut. But does it really work? Or is it just another shiny object? Let's dive in. UGC Influencer is a software created by Shauna Gundella that helps you leverage user-generated content. That's real customer-style posts, reviews, and testimonials to boost trust and sales. Instead of spending hours creating content yourself, this tool allows you to generate, customize, and publish ready-to-use influencer-style content that looks authentic and drives clicks. Look around. The fastest-growing brands today aren't relying on glossy ads. They're winning with real people's content. From billion-pound companies like Gymshark to everyday creators making five-figure months to local shops doubling sales with nothing more than customer videos, it's all powered by UGC. And the stats are impossible to ignore. Nearly 8 out of 10 buyers say user-generated content is what pushes them to purchase. Engagement shoots up nearly 7 times higher than branded posts. Businesses tapping into UGC see conversion lifts close to 30%. And this market is now worth billions, growing every single day. That's exactly what Shauna Gundella's UGC Influencer is built to help you do. Instead of spending hours creating content, you can ride the same strategy billion-dollar brands are using at a fraction of the cost. So the only question is, will you take action now or look back wishing you had? How UGCfluencer works in 3 easy steps. Step 1, jump in. The moment you log into UGCfluencer, you've got instant access to the full platform. No waiting, no faff, just a clean dashboard ready to create content. Step 2, tell it what you need. Simply type out the kind of UGC-style video you want, whether that's a product review, a friendly testimonial, or a lifestyle clip that looks straight off TikTok. Step 3, get your video instantly. Click generate and boom. Within seconds, you've got a professional, authentic-looking video that's ready to grab attention on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or even to hand over to clients. It could be a skincare review from a mom at home, a fitness shout-out from a gym lover, or a chilled testimonial filmed iPhone style. Whatever you need, UGCfluencer delivers it on demand. This is about saving time, slashing costs, and still putting out content that feels real, the kind that gets engagement and sales.